3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome to Apu. Okay. Okay, once again. I need choke already.
今天小一姐姐不在自己的工作室做手工，而是跑到哪里去呢？除此之外，姐姐今天还是以英文和小朋友对话呢。没问题，小依依也会说英文。Hello, my name is Little One. Nice to meet you. And let's check out what Jolly is going to share today. Enjoy!
Hello everyone, welcome to
Apu.
Yes. So today we have our niece here. Her name is Hope. And who am I?
Jolly.
Yes. Alright, so what are we gonna do today?
They're going to do Aquabeads.
Aquabeads. Dun dun dun. I need to get it up. Dun dun dun.
Dun 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 dun.
Alright, can we start now?
Yes.
Let's do it. Whoa.
So this is the beads we was talking about.
Yeah, what's so special about the beads?
They're special beads, and when you put water in them, you have to wait for 1 hour. Then when they're done, they connect. Then they make something like a unicorn or a rainbow or heart or bunny.
Wow, so what are you gonna make today?
I don't know.
How?
Bunny.
A bunny? How about me? What am I gonna make today? So we're gonna do the unbox, right? Come, little Missy Hope. Sit down. Okay, so we're gonna open this and see what's inside.
So we just take out this, and we got this to separate the beads, and you need this to make the beads. And when you're done doing it, you spray, and this is when you're done, you put it over here and let it cool off.
Just now, Arthur said that. Oh, who is Arthur?
Arthur is my little brother, and he's 4 years old, turning 5 soon.
Yeah, but then he's too shy, right? So he doesn't want to be here.
And I just turned 6 years old.
Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, so Arthur actually placed an order just now. What does he want?
Engine.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna make one fire engine for Arthur B. And how about you?
I want to make ice cream.
Oh, I love ice cream. Okay, how about me? Oh, how about
A blue fish.
A blue fish sounds good.
Because your favorite color is blue.
Yes, my favorite color is blue. But there's no spray here, is it? It's supposed to have a spray, right? Oh, it's inside here.
There's no water, so you need to put water and you need to spray it.
Okay, and we have so many colors over here, right?
We got
How many?
we got normal yellow, and we got glittery yellow, and we got
So these are the colors that we have.
yeah, you can see. So now
This is a little helper, right?
yeah, this is our little helper.
Okay, hello.
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 We got it, and you realize, guys, that this is a star.
So cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put all the beads inside. Are we? Okay, how about I pour it out? Whoa! Be careful, okay? Oh no!
I'm gonna fill out the water.
Ah, yeah, good idea.
You wait, guys, okay?
Okay.
We got it already. So you got it. I'm gonna spray some.
Alright, so now that we have put the paper inside, right?
Yeah.
And then Hope is gonna follow the colors and put the beads on it.
Or you can also do different colors if you want.
Yes, you are right.
Yellow. Everything's sparkly.
You like it sparkly?
Yeah, because sparkle is my lucky power.
Sparkly is your lucky power.
I like to say that. These are the sparkly beads. I'm done! Ta-da! Dun, dun, ta-da!
Do you like the ice cream?
Yeah, just follow the colors.
Okay, so right next to it is the fire engine, right? Are we gonna make one for Artabi?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the box that we opened just now, right? And then this is actually belongs to Hoppy. Okay, so since I never seen it before, can we open it and show us? Ooh. Wow, Hope's one is like so big, right? Nice. Okay, so her one is in a bigger size and then got more bits all over, and then she made a H, colorful rainbow H, right? Okay, so can I use yours and you use mine?
Okay.
Okay, then
You make a J for your name.
oh, that's good. Okay, what color should I put?
Rainbow like me.
Alright. Okay, so you make a fire engine for Artabi, and I'll make this for myself. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the J that I made. Dun-dun-dun. Is it nice? Okay, I'll be careful. So next, I'm gonna make a blue color fish. Okay.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Only left a few wheels.
I just need a few.
The wheels on the bus go round and
No,
round.
not bus.
The wheels on the fire engine goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the fire engine rounds and rounds.
Then what?
All to the town.
I'm done.
Ooh, wait for me. I'm almost there. Yeah.
You're making what? The heart again. It
Yeah.
looks so nice.
Oh, thank you. We are done.
You're done.
Dun dun dun. Okay. Hope, what is this?
My brother fire engine.
And this one?
Ice cream.
Yay! Yum yum yum. So next, I'm gonna show mine.
A J, a heart, and a fish.
Yes.
So next, we are gonna spray some water. That's be fishing fire engine is gonna be very happy, except for heart and
Ice cream.
because ice cream will melt
Oh yeah, you're right.
and it will be messy and become all colorful.
Are you ready to show us how to spread it now?
Yeah. Who you want to start first?
Maybe your fire engine first. How much water do we need to put?
We must spray it everywhere.
Make sure we cover everything, is it? So after spraying one, and Hope decided to go and lie down on the bed. Okay, so which means Sari Ayi here have to finish everything. Is it enough?
Wait, I don't know. Just put more. How about the heart?
I think the heart has it also. Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so what's next? We need to let it rest for a bit.
1 hour.
1 hour? So I guess the 1 hour is nap time.
Nap time.
1 hour later.
Oh, no, I take it here.
So this is what we have from my brother.
Wow, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Do you like it, Artabi?
Yes.
My blue fishy.
Oh, I
Is it nice?
Yes, but I make one blue fishy.
You like blue fishy also?
I'll show my hand.
Okay.
From Mima. We got this.
And this.
Mima. You're blocking. La la. So
We are done with our first round, and Artabi is going to make a froggy right now, right? Yes?
I need your help.
Okay, I will help you. Okay, so we will see you again when? Next time, alright? We'll see you again. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, can you tell them?
Okay, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell and like it.
And also
Hey.
comment and share it too.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
always share. Can we didn't
And tick out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.